This conference will now be recorded.
This batch is BCom or BBA?
BSc,
Both,
sir.
sir.
Both. BSc also is there. Okay. Okay. Who knows what is HRA?
The human resource, I think.
Human resource. HRA.
Or HRA? No, I don't know.
House rent
Not
allowance.
sure, sir. Oh,
House rent allowance. Okay. Now here I given a question C. If on my salary, if I put 8 percentage, okay, on my salary 8 percentage, whatever the amount is coming, if that amount is greater than 2500, then I'll give house rent allowance 4800 rupees. If not, just 8 percentage on the salary. Again, I'll tell you, see here, this is my salary. On this salary, I'll put 8 percentage. Okay, that 8 percentage amount, if it is greater than 2500, then I will give you 4800 as allowance, house rent allowance. If that amount 8 percentage on salary is less than 2500, that means value falls, then whatever 8 percentage is coming, same amount you can take it. Is that clear what I'm telling? Now what I'm telling you're understanding, right? Yeah. So now I just execute that. See here, equals if basic salary into 0.08 percentage, whatever I'm doing, if that amount comes, right, 4480 some amount came, right, if that is greater than or equals to 2500, value of true means 4800, value of false means that salary into 0.08, that is 8 percentage. Clear?
yes, sir.
Anybody, if you're not understanding, tell me. Payroll in Excel is one of important concept. Then okay, I'll drag and drop. Then see here which and all the salary output, if it comes greater than that, okay, so you'll be having this much. Okay, now DA, dearness allowance, is how much? 0.03 percentage on my basic salary, equals salary, basic salary into 0.03. Next, MA, medical allowances. Okay, shall I tell you with if formula or advanced formula? Because last class I told only if formula. Based on if also I can do. One more formula also we can do. So first I'll do with if formula. Then I'll tell you the easiest formula for that. Okay, equals if this is equals
Can
to
you please
sales.
repeat DA?
DA, dearness allowance. See, dearness allowance is 0.03. That means 3 percentage. Basic salary into 3 percentage. So done.
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay. Now medical allowances. If they are sales, the designation if it is sales, they will be getting allowance of 1350. If the designation is executive, 970 they will get. Designation if it is admin, 1400 they will get. The designation is HR, 1250 they will get. So equals if this is equals to sales, then they'll get 1350, comma, again if this is equals to EXE, then they'll get 970. Clear? Again, if I will use left arrow mark is equals to admin, then value of true means 1400. Again, if that is equals to HR, the double quotes I'm giving, then value of true means 1250. Here, now value false, I don't have anything. So close bracket, close bracket, close bracket, close bracket until black color comes. For me, color difference is the right. So white. See to that you are getting or not. Time in the half an hour, 8 o'clock it will work. Understanding this one? Okay. If this formula you understood, then I'll tell you one more formula. I'll just copy this formula and I'll put it in chat box. Okay. See whether you're understanding. So table 1 design means designations that are selected. Okay. Now one more formula, advanced formula I'll tell you. Here, value in if function, value of true and value of false. Both are there. Correct? In if function. But there is one more formula which is used to do multiple logical tests. Only true, no false. So I'll select this range. I'll delete. I'll tell you that formula also. That is ifs, IFS. So that IFS formula will not work in older version. Okay, 19, 20, 21 it will work. I'll take that function. Okay, logical test. This is equals to sales, then 1350, comma, logical test 2. If this is equals to EX executive, then 970. Clear? And then if that is equals to destination is equals to admin, then 1400. Again, logical test, if destination is equals to final admin we did, right, HR. So here multiple times we are not using if function, if s one time, that's it. Logical test value of true, logical test value of true, logical test value of true. Value of true means how much? 1250. Again I'm telling this formula IFS will not work on the older version. Any doubts?
Sir, could you please repeat IFS?
Yeah, I'll repeat. Here equals if checks whether one or more conditions met, because if we'll do only one logical test, ifs will do one or more conditions are met, returns value corresponding to the first true condition. Only true it will give, no false and all. True, 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 no false. We are not going to enter false, because in the formula itself there will be no formula pattern to give false conditions. So if as logical test condition is, if this is equals to HR, then sorry, first sales, right, on the right side, yeah, if that is equals to sales, then value of true 1350, comma, again if that is equals to EXE, then 970. Okay, just a minute. Sorry. Okay, so that is 970. If that is admin, again what, comma, if that is equals to admin, but 1400, comma, again if that is equals to HR, right? Yeah, HR, then 1250. This is advanced formula. The reason why I'm not giving this means few are not having the 19 and 2021 versions. Okay, so first if that is base, everywhere it will work. If their latest version it will work. Clear? Next, what is meant by gross salary?
Total salary.
Ah, total salary, right? So what is the formula? Sum of basic salary, HRA, DA, MA. So that's what totally you will get, correct? Okay, gross salary means basic salary what you are getting and allowance of house rent allowance, dearness allowance, medical, MA means medical allowance, HRA, house rent allowance, DA, dearness allowance, medical allowance, gross salary. Then PT. PT means what? Professional tax. Okay, what is the professional tax question? 0.1, that means 10 percentage on gross salary. 0.01 means 1 percentage, 0.1 means 10 percentage. Okay, so how will you do? Equals gross salary into 0.1, 10 percentage means. Or else you can give directly also 10 percentage symbol like this. That's your wish. Clear? Then, okay, next. Net salary means what? Now this is gross salary. This is PT, professional tax. What is meant by net salary?
Minus the tax.
Yes. Gross salary minus tax.
So can you please repeat gross salary?
Gross salary is nothing mas. Sum of that gross salary is equals sum of basic salary, HRA, DA, MA. The range from here to from basic salary to MA. Close bracket, enter. Drag and drop.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Sum of this range.
Sir, can you repeat PT once again?
PT, yeah. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
PT, what I given? 0.1 on gross salary. 0.1 means that is 10 percentage. Okay. So equals on GS. GS means gross salary. So G equals gross salary into 10 percentage. Enter. Net salary means gross salary minus PT, professional tax what you are paying. So that is what total net salary. SPA means salary per annum. This is what net salary per month I am getting. So what is the salary per annum? How will you find out?
Into
Net
12.
salary into 12.
Very good. Equals salary into 12. That's it. Salary per annum. Next, IT returns. You have to pay,
So
right?
it's net salary into
So
12,
now
right?
uh, I'm taking after net salary. Yeah, net salary into 12 only I've taken, right?
Yes.
J3, it's net salary into 12 I've taken. 12 months, 1 year. Next, IT. So IT year you see. Salary per annum, if it is less than 5 lakh, 0. 8 lakh, 5 to 8 means 3 percentage. Okay. 8 to 12 lakhs means 6%. 12 lakhs above means 9%. Then, so how will you do this? Anyone? IT returns. Same, similarly like that, one formula I told. At least this one you have to tell me because entire assignment I'm teaching again, right? For IT returns, at least you tell me. Anyone? I'm waiting here. Okay. Same if function you can use. Yes. If this is less than 5 lakh, then 0.03 on by salary per annum. Yeah. Then again, if K3 is less than 8 lakh, then sorry, first thing is what here only 0. Less than 5 lakh means 0. K3 is less than 5 lakh, the value of true 0. Again K3 is less than 8 lakh, then 0.03 into K3. K3 means that one. Comma. Again logical
So
test.
shouldn't you put in double quotes?
For which one? No, we are using only numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
If it is text, we will use double quotes. Okay. If K3 is less than 12 lakh, then K3 into 0.06. Again, if K3 is greater than or equals to 12 lakh, then 0.09 into K3. Then I'll press enter. Now you see the what is the IT returns. See, less than 5 lakhs and all coming in 0.
Can you send the formula on the chat box?
Yeah, I'll send. I'll send. Please check it out. Then what is the final one now? CTC. CT is nothing but equals salary per annum minus IT returns. SPA minus IT. Okay. What is the formula to find a total HR?
You have to add the HR range.
So formula name. What formula you can use? Equals sum if this is the range, comma, condition is what? HR, then what will is this total CTC? Again equals sum if this is the range, comma, criteria is what? EXE, then sum range CTC, then equals sum if this is the range, condition is sales, then sum range is CTC. Total admin sum if range is this one, comma, condition is admin, CTC is this one. Then I'll select the range. I'll go to insert tab. I'll just click on any one chart. I'll take any one chart like this. Any chart I can insert. I'm just inserting this chart.
So can you please re-explain the totals? I'm not getting it.
Sum if function, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you are having the formula in that version, the latest version, you'll be having a formula called as sum if e- equals sum if tab range is what designation for HR you are finding, right? HR is there in this range, in this entire range. In many places HRs are there, so select the range, comma, criteria means condition is what? HR, comma, some range. If this range and condition is HR means some range for who, where, which range you want to do sum, because it is text you cannot do sum for that. Then I have to do text for this range, close bracket, enter. Then press enter, you will get the output. Okay, is payroll, employee payroll assignment is clear for everyone? Just let me know in the chat box. Just clear for everyone. This is what you have faced problem, right? Okay, so we'll go for the next concept. Let's close this. Next concept is what? Very important, of functions. Okay, H lookup and we lookup. Lookup functions you are seeing. Uh, lookup means vertical lookup. H lookup means horizontal. Where? Okay, now I'll send you the data set in the WhatsApp. Please download it.
Sir, you didn't finish all the functions yesterday from the document that you sent.
Which one all is pending? If and are not,
Mathematical
right?
and yes, sir.
No, all are finished. If also I
No,
completed, are also
mathematical is
completed.
not done. Mathematical functions are not done. Text is not done either.
Text function is not done now.
No, we did date functions, logical functions, and statistical functions.
Yeah, text functions in the first class only we did. First classes and
Yes.
mathematical functions and text functions.
Okay,
You
sir.
forgot? Upper, lower, left, mid, right.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Ah. Hello? Have you received the file in the group?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, download and open it. Okay, I'm just opening this file now. So I'll go for the first sheet here. First thing, H lookup means horizontal lookup, V lookup means vertical lookup, I said. So how will you understand whether it is H lookup or V lookup means? Here is the range. Okay, employee names, employee IDs are there here. For example, let's understand this is what database, what we have in this database. Okay, in this database, all employee names and employee IDs are there. From here, I am asking only for three members. What is their employee ID? For Guna, what is the employee ID? For Jansi, what is the employee ID? And for Pavan, what is the employee ID? I want to know. Clear? Now, if the datas are vertical, so heading is in the top and the records are like this, vertical, then we need to use what? VLOOKUP equals VLOOKUP. Okay, if it is horizontal, records are like this, and if it is in this order, then HLOOKUP. Horizontal means HLOOKUP, vertical means VLOOKUP. So just click here, equals VLOOKUP, lookup value. Lookup value means for whom I'm finding the employee ID. I'm finding the employee name. I'm finding the employee ID for the employee name. Clear? So I'll just select the lookup value as this name. Okay, lookup value I've selected. Selected, and table array I'll select the range. Table array means what? Where the question and answer both is there. So lookup value is nothing but for whom I want to find the employee ID. Table array means where I'm having the question and answer both, that database, that is called as what? Table array. So employee name and employee ID is there here. I'll select the entire range. I'll select the entire range. Then press F4, or if it is a laptop, sometimes Fn plus F4 in the keyboard, so that you'll get a $1, b $18, comma, column index
Sir,
number.
can you repeat?
Which one? Okay, see here, equals
The laptop
VLOOKUP.
function.
Yeah, v equals VLOOKUP. First select the lookup value, comma, table array is this much, entirely select. Press F4 in the keyboard. See whether it's coming like this or not. $A $1. If it is not coming, just by pressing F4, press and hold on the Fn key, that is functional key. Press and hold on the Fn functional key and then press F4. So you will get $A $1 colon $B $18.
Sir, I'm not getting that. I'm getting a dialog box.
What, ma'am?
I'm getting a dialog box, not that. I'm getting find and replace.
Now, see, after this range you select. Okay, select the range. After this, press F4. F4 means in the top of the code there will be F1, F2, F3, like that. Okay, I'll just show you. See here. This F4 like this. Fn,
Yes,
F4 you
sir.
have to press after setting the range. So if you are still getting, send me what is the error.
Uh, Sir, it's going on mute. I'm unable to press the Fn and F4 together.
Fn and F4 together cannot be processed now. No, no, no. Okay, just press F4 only. See whether it is changing like this or not.
Sir, no, sir, it's not working. It's going on mute
Then
because
Fn
that's
plus
the
F4
tablet.
only you need to press. There is no option.
Fn plus F4.
Press and hold on the Fn key, then press F4.
Sir, that's not working either.
So send me the photo of your keyboard and what is the error.
Yes. I sent.
Yeah, I'm checking. The group you have sent, huh?
Yes, sir.
Uh, yeah. Fn is there, F4 is there. Okay, F4 only you have to use. After putting comma, you're pressing data F and F4.
Yes, sir. I put the comma.
After the comma, not ma. See here. H2 comma is over, right? Select the range. Don't press comma and all. Select the range, then press F and F4.
Yes, sir. It's working now.
Then,
Yes,
so if any others are trying the same, please fix it out. Select the range, then press F4, comma. Okay, then column index number. I have selected the table area only this much, right? So inside that, how many columns are there? How many columns are there inside the range what I've selected?
18.
18 columns.
2
What
column.
is the difference between columns? Two columns. So what I'm looking for, employee ID. So employee ID is in the first column or second column?
Second one.
Yeah. So column index number means in the table array, inside the table array, which column you wanted? Second column. So column index number 2, comma, approximate match or exact match? Exact match, everybody will ask. But every time you cannot give exact match. You need to first see the data whether everything are unique or not. Then you need to choose whether approximate match or exact match. Come down, take exact match, close bracket, enter. Then drag and drop.
so the second one isn't in the column.
Yeah, second one it is coming what? NA, because there is no value like John C. So NA means name not available. NA means what? Name not available error.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what you will do is click on 8002. First one value output you are getting.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now before here in this VLOOKUP here exactly see here in this place before the V you click the cursor after the equals and before the V. Then now type if na. If na means returns the value you specify if the expression resolves to NA. That means you are doing a formula. The formula output comes to NA. Then instead of displaying NA, because NA will not look nice, so others who are seeing they will not know that its output is NA. They will think that you have done some mistakes. So instead of displaying them NA, I will display the customized text what I'm giving as input. Okay. If not, that whatever formula output is coming, it will come. So take if na, we look up, value means we look up, it's over. Finally, comma, a value if NA. That means the output if it comes as NA, then I'll say name is not available. Done. Press enter and drag and drop now. Wherever you are getting error, instead of error, it will display the message actually what is the problem. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now same h lookup we will try. Equals h lookup value comma table array is this range because the data is in horizontal. H lookup, press F4 comma row index number. So row is what? Second row. Employee ID is what I wanted. That is in the second row. So 2 comma approximate match or exact match means actually ID are exact. So exact match. Enter. Again drag and drop. Done. So now again here any issues there. In the beginning I'll use if na value is lookup function comma value if na name not available, name not available in the double quotes. Clear?
So I'm getting NA for the second one as well.
For everything you are getting na.
Yeah, for the second one and all the rest. First one I'm getting a number.
No, I'm not able to hear you properly.
So first one I
First you are
got the
getting,
employee. Yes, sir.
first you are getting and remaining two you are getting na, right?
Remaining three I'm getting NA.
No, no, send the photo. Your voice is not clear. Send the photo. I'll check it out. What is the issue?
Yes, sir.
Sent. Mm, yeah, first you have not used F4. You have not used
So,
F4 after the range. I think you have not used. That's
um,
why. See equals h lookup value comma the table area I select like this and I need to fix that range, right? So press F and F4 comma then row index number is what? 2
two.
comma come down exact match. Use tab close bracket enter. You getting now?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Others, anybody have any problem? If you're done, go to next sheet. Source data. I'll go to the top. I want to find the grade based on the percentage. How will you find out?
For if function.
Equals if we are talking about VLOOKUP. Using VLOOKUP, how we will solve this? Anyone? No output from anyone? Okay, I'll just see. I'll solve you. Equals, first thing, I need to find out the grade based on the percentage. See here, 0% means fail, 35 pass, 55C, 75B, 90A. Okay, I want to find the grade based on the percentage. So equals, the data are our vertical. Okay, so because of that, I'll use VLOOKUP and take the function. Lookup value is what? Percentage, because based on the percentage I'm finding the grade, right? That's what lookup value is, percentage, comma, table array means where I'm having my question and answer. That means for each what is for what percentage, what is the grade, where I'm having that report, I'm having here. Select the range, press F4, comma, column index number. What I wanted to know, grade. In this selected range, grade is in the second column. So 2 comma, approximate match or exact match, if I see means approximate. Why? Because exact if I give means this side I should have 55, 75, 90 like that only. But there are decimal values and again other values also. Okay. So that what I will do, I'll take approximate, close bracket, enter. Scroll down. Getting this? Okay. I'll go for next one. So what formula we need to use here? What formula we need to use here?
For H lookup.
Equals H lookup, lookup value, table array, F4, row index number is second row, comma, approximate match. Okay, then equals we lookup value, table array, F4, comma, column index number is 2, second column what we wanted, comma, exact match. So same I do it. So there are many sheets like this. Please go through with this. These are all as an assignment. So go through once and just have a look on that. See to that anything if you're not understanding. So this one will be difficult for me. I will not understand means you tell me that I'll show you. Okay. Don't show everything. This one and all. See there are few are different and difficult. See to that which one you cannot do on your own. Tell me that I'll go on that. Why? Because this my data set. Because it's very important, right? So I prepared many examples on this. So there will be many. So you just see to that one by one, which you want. I need to repeat one more time. You tell me. I'll tell you that only that. Remaining and all you do on your own. So 2 minutes. You just check it out. Then I'll go for the next two formulas, and you'll go for next concept. Having a look.
So the VLOOKUP function is a bit confusing.
Which one? In this many are there. For ID you need to find the salary. For this particular ID you need to find out the salary. And here for this score, what is the grade you need to find out from here. For John, last name you have to find out. First name if it is John, we need to find out the last name. Which one is difficult for you?
Okay, so I just didn't understand the question.
Anyone? Which one, Ma? Okay, no doubts. Okay, you try. There are two. I thought you'll be telling me. Not told anything. Hope maybe you will solve on your own. Okay, so I'll go for the next function. Okay, on the top only here only I am showing a different function. So that is XLOOKUP. Now only I'm telling that XLOOKUP function is not available in 19 version. 2019. Mine is 19 version, right? See here, mine is 2019. In this version also, XLOOKUP is not available. Okay, so it's available only in 2021 and online version. So I'll connect to 2021 version of MS Office and I'll show you how to use that. Okay, this version what I'm using is MS Office 2021, right? So here the formula is available. If you don't have no issues, just understand how to do that because it is very easy. Equals X lookup value is 53, comma, lookup array. Lookup array means where this lookup value is there. That array, that means that is there here. Lookup value, I'm looking salary for the ID 53. So I selected the ID and where is the ID? I selected the range of the ID, comma, and what I want, return. Returns means output. What is the output I want? Salary. Where is the salary? Here, comma. If not found, if not found means what? NA. If NA error comes means what we have to give. Okay. So instead of that, I want if the invalid ID. We use if not function, right? We don't need if not function and all. We don't want table array. We don't want column index number. Okay. Which is a question where the question is and where the answer is. If the answer is not found, what output it has to come? Invalid ID, comma, approximate match or exact match. Exact match, comma, search from first to or last to first. Okay, I'll take first to last. Close bracket, enter. So getting the salary for the ID number 53.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you explain the last one?
Okay, again one more time I'll tell you this function.
Sir, no, the last, the UK market, USA market, the last thing on this page.
Okay, now only you have seen deeply what and all is there. Okay, you only try to answer na. Okay, I'll tell you. So I'll just first explain, then I'll tell you the answer. See, there are two market. One is UK market and one is USA market. Okay, and I've done sales. If UK market sales is this much, what is the bonus? So I given here UK market sales, if it is this much, what is the bonus? USA market sales, if it is this much, then what will be the bonus? Say UK market wise, the sales are there. So then we need to find out what is the bonus for the sales. So the problem is I have two markets, two table arrays. That's the problem. So equals, we look up value is sales because based on that one I'm finding, comma, table array. Here only the problem comes. Why? Because two table array are there for me. One is UK and one more is USA. And if this is UK, then it has to take from here. And if it not, it has to take from here. So if this is equals to UK, then table array will be this one. F4, comma, value false. If this is not UK, then however USA, right? This it has to take this one. F4, close bracket. Value false is alright. Close bracket, comma, column index number, both side I want bonus in both table, that is the second column. So column index number is 2, comma, approximate match or exact match, if I say means approximate. Why? Because 6,000, 8,000, 10,000. So I don't have any value like 10,000, 6,000 round off and all. So all are in other values. So approximate match. Close bracket, enter.
Sir, can you repeat after the if function? I couldn't follow.
Yeah. Equals, we look up value, comma, table array I have 2. If this is UK, this one it has to take. If not, false means if this is not if it is not UK, then it has to take this one. So if this is equals to UK, then value of true, it has to take this one, range. F4, lock the range, comma, table array, one more table array, this one. Select the range, press F and F4, lock the range, close bracket, comma, column index number on both ranges 2, comma, approximate match or exact match. If I see approximate, because the values are not similar like 4,000, 6,000. So close bracket, enter.
Yes, sir. Thank you. One question, sir. After table array, you have column index number. So,
Yes, yes.
uh, do you choose? Okay, I'm a bit confused with the column index number.
Yeah,
I'm not
there.
really sure.
I'll tell you. Column index number I choose. What I choose? So table array 2 I have selected, comma, column index number in both tables, second column. What I want in this table also I want bonus. That is also first column sales, second column bonus. So second column only. Here also first column sales, second column bonus. So both the places what I wanted is bonus. That is the second column. So I'll use 2, comma, approximate match or exact match.
Exact match,
Approximate.
right?
No, no,
Okay.
approximate. Exact means exactly 10,000, 8,000, 6,000, 4,000 only sales should be there. If exact match means if 6,000 is there, then only 700 will come. 6,001 rupee if it is there also, it will come NA. None of the values are like that now here. So you cannot take exact. So that's why we are taking what? Approximate, because the values are not exactly matching.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Any others? Any doubts? So you will solve the all the issues, right? X lookup one more time I'll tell you. So for example here I'll tell you equals X lookup value is 21, so 28, comma lookup array. It is available in this range, comma return array. What you want? Salary. This one, comma. If not means, if ID not found means invalid ID, comma exact match 0, close bracket, enter. So invalid ID because the ID 28 is not there at all. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So if 2021 is there, you can use this. If not, online Office 365 online, if it is there, you can use that one also. Okay, you'll go for next concept. Close this. Next, we are going to see define names. Define name means naming a range. Already we have seen how to name a range using this name box. Same thing we are going to see here. So for example, let me have some value. Clear? I'll take some data. Something this one I'll take. Simply I want some record, right? Also I'll take that. So now I'll just name this range. Okay. So now what I'll do is here I'll just name this range as sale price. Formula define name. Name of this range is what? Sale underscore price. Why? Because while naming space is not allowed. Because of that automatically sale underscore price is taken. Click on OK. So here manually I'm giving. So here and all what I will do, I'll select the range, create from selection. Create from selection means automatically I'm telling you create based on what I've selected the range, top row or left column, top row only. This entire range called as warehouse. This entire range is called as model. This entire range is called as brand like that. So the two way, either I can define name by typing or one more, I can select the range and I say create from selection, top row or left column, whatever you're giving, based on the name, automatically it will take and it will get created. Then equals. Now I'll use a formula. I will come to know what is the use of this. First, Control G. Show me the models. Then control G. Show me month sold. Then control G. Brand. Okay. So now equals, what I'll do, sum if I'll do equals sum if range is what, warehouse. I'll not select, I just type range is what, warehouse, comma, criteria is USA. See, I'm not taking my mouse and I'm not selecting the range. So this is the use of the defining the name. So just directly can execute, comma, sum range is what, sale price. So you don't need to take the mouse and go and select the range. Wherever you are, can directly execute the function. See, I'm in the one more sheet. Equals sum if, okay. So warehouse is the range, condition is USA, okay, and I want sum of the sale price. Is that clear for everyone? Next one, use in formulas. Define name, manually we do, create from selection. When I select a range, automatically ask you top row, left column, however you want. And name managers, if you don't want, you can delete, or if you want a new one, you can create, or if you want, edit it. Next, trace, use in formulas. Use in formulas, that's what. When you use a formula, okay, automatically all this will be disabled. If you forget the name of the range what you are given, then you can click on this arrow mark, you can select that, close bracket, enter. Done. Now trace precedence, trace dependence. Now first name manager, I'll select all the delete name managers. So once I delete, you'll get error, name error, because the name what you gave, everything are not there now. So now here what I'm telling is, for this, uh, equals, for first thing, trace precedence means the selected cell should contain a formula. Trace is the selected cell should contain a formula. Trace dependent means selected cell should not contain a formula. But value in the cell, value the cell in a formula. So here precedence means the selected cell should contain a formula. so that it will show how the formula came. Dependence means the selected cell should not contain any formula. Okay, in the formula bar should not show any formulas, but the value in the selected cell which is there, that value should have been used to a formula. For example, I'll show you equals sum of this range, close bracket, enter. Now the selected cell containing a formula here, right? So that the Excel trace precedent will show you how this formula came. How this formula came, the trace precedent will show you. Showing you. Okay, I'll give remove arrows. Trace dependence means, again I'll give a value here. This value should not contain this cell. The value in this cell, it should not have any formula, but this value has to be used with any formula, so that this value is used with or used on which formula. That if you want to check it out, you can click on dependence. It has been used on, this value has been used in this formula. If I give one extra value, so for this one I can do dependence or precedence. Which one I can do? And tell me, I can do dependence or precedence for what I've selected. Anyone? I can do dependence or precedence. No one? I cannot do both because the cell is not containing a formula, so I cannot do dependent precedence. And the cell I have selected, the value in the cell I have not used to any formula, so I cannot do dependence also. Clear? So is that clear what and all we have covered today for everyone? Please respond in the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are the remaining concept is there? Some final concepts, small things. So we'll complete in next class. Okay.
So
So
this
today is our
next
ninth
class, the
class, right?
last one.
Yeah, that is the last 10th class. So 20 hours will be completing by next class. Next class will be
So
the
what
last
about
class.
assessment?
Yeah, I will inform you that. In next class, I'll inform you. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So I've taken the attendance. So I given a lookups assignment file. It says submit. Okay. So I'll just collect all your practical assignments. Based on that, I'll try to put some assignment marks. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Bye everyone. I've taken the attendance. Okay, we'll see you in the next class.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.